as indicated by our ongoing stepn cost forecast. The worth of stepn will expand by 261.95%, coming to $1.47 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing feeling is nonpartisan, while the apprehension and ravenousness file is perusing 27.13, which explicitly implies kind of intense trepidation. Our stepn figure, its hold stepn right now in a significant manner. On Walk 21, 2023, practically generally specialized examination pointers flagged bullish signs, while certainly different markers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall nonpartisan opinion among stepn cost forecasts. See the specific stepn cost expectation underneath. You will know how essentially stepn is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the fundamentally most recent 30 days, stepn in a real sense has basically diminished by 8.11% in a significant manner. Because of this, we can in every way that really matters, get with the exception of a genuinely slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of stepn expanded by 116.61% and came to approach around 88 cents. Presently, all markers are demonstrating unbiased zone, and the trepidation and insatiability list shows 27.13 most certainly intense feelings of dread, as indicated by our gauge. This isn't the ideal opportunity to hold stepn, or so they in every practical sense thought. Right now, stepn is exchanging underneath the 200 in every way that really matters. Basic moving extremely normal. For the very most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a stepn holding really signal in a significant manner. The cost of stepn generally is at present running underneath the 50-day pretty basic moving normal, and it basically shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit 47 cents toward December's end. By December 2023, 2024, stepn's transient 50-day SMA shows a 43 cents. The overall strength file force oscillator is a famous marker that signals whether a digital money is oversold or overbought. RSI especially is at present at RSI value. This shows that the GMT market is in a nonpartisan position, which really is very huge. stepn value expectation 2023 in the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, stepn came to 67 cents when it dipped under 23 cents interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market sends out, stepn especially is en route to passing the 89 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 89 cents, it might for the most part break its characteristic of $4.11 and arrive at in a kind of significant manner. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, stepn will break its past all-time fundamentally high of $4.11 and really hold somewhere in the range of 68 cents and 89 cents soon. At this point, on 21 Walk 2023, stepn is exchanging at 41 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 84 M, and it makes number 139 money in the extremely entire crypto world, which in a real sense is very critical. stepn value expectation 2024 there generally is plausible that stepn can get through the $1.03 boundary and explicitly hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least stepn cost will especially be between 87 cents to $1.03. And the most in every practical sense, probable stepn cost will be consistent at around $1 toward the finish of 2024. Despite stepn's wild swings in esteem in the discussion encompassing its ecologically threatening energy use, extremely rich person at venture genuinely entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that stepn will explicitly reach $1.03 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. In an unpretentious manner, stepn value forecast 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that GMT will begin the year at $1.20 and exchange around $1.47 in an unobtrusive manner, as indicated by their expectations. This would be very high contrasted with a year ago. This is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. stepn value expectation 2026 there is an excellent opportunity that stepn 2026 value forecast will exceptionally twofold in cost, yet it fundamentally is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal truly most extreme $1.82 level, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. stepn especially is anticipated to basically arrive at a record-breaking high of $1.74 or $1.82 in 2026, and it could generally be the extended time of stepn. STEPN Value Expectation 2027 STEPN Value Forecast, or GMT, will encounter colossal development in 2027 as it in every way that really matters has the very potential to accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap. STEPN's cost is supposed to outperform $1.82 in 2027, which generally is genuinely huge. It has been certainly anticipated that STEPN will arrive at the greatest cost of $1.82, and the base cost is supposed to generally be around $1.57 in the following a long time from 2027, which is genuinely huge. STEPN estimate 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee fundamentally say that STEPN value expectation and specialized examination. STEPN basically is supposed to cross a value level of $2.21 in 2028, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In the interim, STEPN sort of is supposed to arrive at any rate cost of $1.93 this year. The kind of most extreme cost may reach $2.23. STEPN value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The STEPN value forecast and specialized investigation generally foresee that the expense of STEPN will especially reach $2.99, and the cost of GMT ought to sort of reach $2.99 before the year's over. Also, GMT can reach up to $2.74 in value, in spite of mainstream thinking. From 2024 to 2029 delay will bring huge years for STEPN development. GMT value expectation 2030 out of 2030. STEPN value expectation are supposed to truly cross the $4.19 exceptionally normal cost level, as per STEPN estimate and specialized examination, toward the finish of 2030. STEPN's base cost is supposed to explicitly be $3.97 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, GMT can arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $4.27 toward the finish of 2030. STEPN will in a real sense have a typical cost of $4.27. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. STEPN value forecast 2031 STEPN cost is assessed to reach $5.59 by 2031, at least, which is genuinely critical, with a typical exchanging cost of $5.80 all through 2031. STEPN's worth could sort of come to $5.81 at its most elevated. The experts anticipate that the greatest cost should exchange around $5.80 in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN figure 2032 out of 2032. STEPN will attempt to really arrive at the essentially the most reduced degree of $7.63. It might sincerely attempt to get the for the most part greatest and next extremely top level of $7.90 with the typical figure cost of $7.86. It might break the past high and proceed to its next level. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we truly foresee it will fundamentally arrive at its truly next level. Be that as it may, it might dump too. What will be the most minimal cost of STEPN in future? Up to